The Multi-Chart Multi Timeframe Indicator, which is readily available for various popular trading platforms on the comprehensive TradingFinder website, allows dedicated traders to easily download the essential indicator file for widely used platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Additionally, to thoroughly understand precisely how this powerful indicator works and its extensive functionality, you can diligently study this detailed page. From the intuitive navigation section, simply select the specific indicator file, and by carefully opening the file for your chosen chart, you can effectively run the indicator. Once the indicator is successfully loaded onto the chart, a comprehensive multi-time frame window will be clearly displayed for the specific chart you have applied the indicator to. The multi-chart multi-time frame indicator is indeed a very special and highly professional tool that uniquely enables us to gain a much better and more insightful perspective on both higher and lower time frames for the particular financial symbol on which we are currently running the indicator. Here, the main chart window is prominently displayed for us, and we can conveniently set different time intervals here, which are strategically placed within the analysis panel, thereby allowing us to meticulously analyze the prevailing trend of these various intervals based on the sophisticated moving averages. In the detailed settings section, specifically under the Inputs tab, there are numerous important options where, in the initial 4 primary parameters, you can precisely specify the desired timeframes for the individual panels, timeframe 1, timeframe 2, timeframe 3, and timeframe 4, and you can meticulously set your preferred time intervals ranging from a single minute all the way up to a monthly view here. In the subsequent 3 crucial parameters, you can accurately specify the calculation period for the moving averages, specifically for long-term, medium-term, and short-term perspectives, individually, which will then be clearly displayed for each respective panel. The body section relates directly to the main window of the indicator, where if another indicator panel is not already loaded on the chart, this particular value is set to 1 by default. However, if you are actively running other popular indicators like MACD or RSI or any other indicators that possess their own dedicated panel, you should carefully increase this value so that the multi-chart multi-timeframe indicator is correctly placed in its appropriate panel without any overlap. In the body section, you can also precisely specify the width, the height, and various other panel-related settings, all of which are measured in pixels, and you can easily change their specific values here to suit your visual preferences. The overall height, the individual size, and the precise distance between the various panels can all be meticulously adjusted here for optimal viewing. In the body section, you can also conveniently change the display type of the candles from traditional candles to smooth lines, offering a different visual representation. In the next body parameter, you can easily change the color of the moving averages, specifically for the long-term, medium-term, and short-term averages, to your exact desired color, allowing for complete customization. In the body section, you can also set the specific color for the clear display of bullish and bearish candles and for different time frames, providing enhanced visual clarity. For example, here I will set the color red for bearish candles and a distinct blue for their shadows, and finally, this last parameter is specifically for the separator line between each individual panel, which I will set to a vibrant green for clear distinction. After meticulously making these adjustments, simply click the Confirm button to apply your changes. Here, as clearly displayed, the shadow color is a distinct blue, the bullish candle color is a prominent red, and the separator between the panels is a clear green. Experienced traders can effortlessly move between different time frames and, based on the dynamic price movement, perform comprehensive multi-time frame analysis with great precision. Here, in the very first panel, the time frame is set to 15 minutes, and our primary chart is also set to 15 minutes, accurately displaying the candles accordingly. We can also observe significantly higher time frames like 1 hour, 4 hours, and even the daily time frame for a broader market perspective. We clearly see that the daily time frame is currently in a strong uptrend. The 4-hour time frame is in an initial uptrend and has recently interacted with the short-term moving average, and the 1-hour time frame is also in an uptrend but has interacted with the long-term moving average, indicating different levels of market strength. Here we have the calculated average of all the moving averages, and this particular section is clearly broken down for detailed examination. So, we can certainly maintain a generally bullish outlook on the overall market, but there is indeed a distinct possibility that we might experience a short-term correction on the price chart, and subsequently, after that particular phase, the market may very well resume its upward trend once again. Just make absolutely sure that you carefully download the specific font that the indicator actually uses from the official site and then properly install it in your Windows Fonts folder, so that the indicator displays all its information correctly and without any issues. Also, if you are currently using the MetaTrader 5 platform and you are running the indicator within the shell, you must pay very close attention to the higher time frame you have meticulously set in the indicator's settings and then diligently switch your chart to that exact time frame, so that all the candles are accurately calculated and subsequently displayed correctly on your screen. Here, the daily time frame is indeed my designated higher time frame, and the 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute time frames are readily available for your analysis. If you have successfully reached the very end of this comprehensive indicator tutorial, I would be genuinely happy and appreciative if you could kindly share your valuable feedback and any helpful suggestions with us in the comments section below.